This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about favor boxes, specifically these Pastry Tech pyramid paper candy boxes. And they're great for packing up little candies as favors, macaroons, cookies, whatever your heart's desire. They have a nice petite size. They're about 3 by 3, and you can see they come flat packed and with their little ribbons, and they're easy to fold up into these beautiful little pyramid shapes. So they have a nice kind of interesting and unique design that's really kind of just it's a beautiful geometric shape. So it's going to go well with a lot of different table settings, out on a favor table at say a wedding, birthday, baby shower, whatever the type of event, and would also work for things like small amenities if you're doing something like a B&B or an inn, or even at the holidays. These would be great for packing up small items or trinkets, for popping in stockings, or even putting on your table in the place of things like Christmas crackers. So we're going to go over how to fold them. And the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and poke out all the holes at the top for the ribbon, just to make sure that that's ready. Right? Because you don't want to get it folded up and then try and put that ribbon through and then realize that you don't already have that prepped. And then just go ahead and crease each of those seams, right? This is going to make it want to fold up in that direction. So we're folding towards the white side, right? And you can see it's already starting to take shape. And now you can see there's these nice little panels on the side of each of those triangles. You just want to go ahead and give those a nice crease as well. Encouraging them to stay inward is going to really help when you fold up your boxes. And getting everything pre-folded will make actually stringing the ribbon through and putting it together much, much easier. Right? So once we have that done, you can see we have kind of like a 4-pointed star going, and you can kind of just make sure that those little edges are folded up and just kind of encourage them to nest together, right? So if we've got that going well, what I'm going to do with my ribbon is just take it and fold that end into half, and then it's going to make it easy to stick through your first hole, and then just go about making sure that those little edges are together. And it's a little hard for me to do in this angle because I'm trying to do it so you can see on camera, and just kind of start stringing it through the top. And I usually pull it through 3 and leave one side open. That's up to you. And just make sure that those little edges are folded in, and that'll make it easy to pull. My ribbon's trying to pop out on me. There we go. Just make sure it's pulled through a nice amount. So you can just make sure that that little side is like that. And those are folded in. So once you have 3 sides going, it's easy then to kind of hold it in place. You can put whatever you want inside, whether it's a couple of macaroons, a little cookie, and just make sure that that last side is folded through. There we go. Awesome. And I just want to make sure that I've got my ribbon pulled, and we can give it a little quick tie. I do like to try and pop open on you, and this is a little easier to do if you're holding it closer to yourself so you can see. And then it makes it nice and easy. Once you've got a nice little knot there, tie yourself a cute little bow, and you can always trim the little edges on your ribbon just to make sure it's nice and perfectly neat. But you can see it makes a nice, cute little presentation for favors, whether it's at a wedding, a baby shower, maybe an anniversary. And you have two options for the colors, the pink and then the brown, which is a little bit actually more of a gold tone brown. So you have nice, lovely, subtle options for any event.